Mr. de Jong, Ms. Ivanova and Mr. Awad are managers of various production facilities. They all use the same ERP. This works perfectly in finance and controlling. However, it's not that suitable for mapping the various production processes in the plants and countries. This makes life difficult for the factory managers. Therefore, they complement their Group ERP with other solutions. This often causes high maintenance costs for the IT solutions and their interfaces, and it's difficult to develop them further or to handle them. That frustrates Mr. Mpenza, and it frequently makes projects around the Group ERP system risky, tedious, and rather expensive. This annoys Mr. Lee. This is where CSB System comes in. They have the perfect solution for this problem. The industry experts of CSB System have developed a factory ERP that complements the Group ERP at factory level. The existing Group ERP will continue to manage the group's finances, controlling and business management. The factory ERP by CSB, on the other hand, supports the operational management of the factories. It starts with procurement and receiving, followed by planning and production, via the inventory and traceability, to sales and dispatch, and up to billing and controlling. With its standard interfaces to the Group ERP and to the machines and equipment, the factory ERP can be easily integrated and serviced. Order processing is still handled by the Group ERP, but it can also be done directly in the factory ERP. This makes Mr. Mpenza happy. The CSB Factory ERP provides best practices for the different factories. This makes it easy to consider special aspects of the corporate group. Mr. de Jong, Ms. Ivanova and Mr. Awad celebrate this. CSB Factory ERP is available for the following industries: food and beverages, chemical, pharmaceutical, cosmetics, in over 30 languages and with predictable costs. That makes Mr. Lee sleep well. The Factory ERP by CSB System, covering all core processes, industry specifically, in one system, making your IT landscape more homogeneous, increasing your efficiency and quality, linking all systems with each other, providing standard interfaces, and minimizing your costs. The CSB Factory ERP is the ideal solution for large-scale enterprises and corporate groups. CSB System, programmed for your success.